Oh, me, oh my. Balancing myself on the tightrope, don't bang my line. So tell me how the fuck an angel got stuck in the sky.
What's going on, y'all, and welcome back to another episode of the Pull-Up Spot. And today we're going to be doing a repair day. Yes, we're going to actually be doing a repair on the Pull-Up Spot's actual vehicle. It's actually going to be one of the cars that we're going to be creating on the YouTube channel. So I have on gloves and this jacket because we're going to be doing a starter. Oh, we got the new starter. Believe it or not, this starter only costs 25 bucks. So I'm already liking the project, you guys. It's cheap. So we got the battery, we have the starter, we have the cars. This 1970 Oldsmobile 98 coupe convertible. This is what we're starting with, guys. Okay, so here it is, the 1970s Oldsmobile. I'm so excited, guys, because this is that thing, this is that wild thing, this is that boat, this is that white cloud, this that shackadelic, you know what I'm talking about? I don't know what it is, but woo, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. So this is what we're gonna be taking care of. This is the Pull-Up Spots car. So it's up to you guys, all right? So I want you guys to leave comments below and let me know what you guys want to do with this car. Let's get back to it and put the starter in. New starter, gotta put it on. Starter's hooked up with the wires. Let's put it up. Legit moment of truth, you guys. Let's see what happens. Starter fluid. Oh, hey, you know what? I might as well. Nah, I'll talk to you guys about that later. Anyways, starter fluid. Starter fluid. You know, these carbureted motors, you gotta kick it with some starter fluid to get that thing to turn over sometimes. Let's see if that works. Alright. Got the keys. You know what? I think I should check the oil. Check the oil. Oh. I almost forgot what oil dipstick was. Look like I have no oil in there. No oil, so I gotta get some oil before I try and start this thing.
A few moments later.
Got a little bit of oil since it's running low. I'm gonna put this in for now. I don't think it's the right oil for the car, but hey, we're just trying to do a test run right now. Is that the right battery? Oh. Who knows? Let's start it. Oh, fired up! Woo! All right, there we go.
I wouldn't change shit. How could I make this up? It's how I really went.
Let's go ahead and put some water in there. See the circulation.
If I could take it back, I wouldn't change shit. How could I make this up? It's how I really went. Fake love, man, all that shit, common sense.
All right, you guys, it's getting later in the day, so that's gonna wrap it up for this episode of the Pull-Up Spot. But we're all set with the Olds. We got that thing started. I am so happy that it started, man. I can't wait to get this thing on the road. I got it on non-op right now with the DMV. So we're gonna have to do a video after we put the rear end in, because we gotta do a rear end on this thing. It's a performance differential I got from my buddy Daniel. It's gonna go on the Oldsmobile. So that's what's next. Also, we got a fuel leak, so we gotta fix the fuel pump. But other than that, we got this thing running. We're good to go. Peace.
Get up off my ass, ain't no money in this strapping dope. Dealer selling dope, getting money out the mattress. If you seen what I seen, then you know it really happened.